How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be reviewing this Topdon bt600 battery tester, and this is their newest tester that they have. It comes with an incorporated printer, which is one of the main reasons I do like it. If you're interested in purchasing this item, I will have a special coupon code in my description, so make sure you do follow that, as well as the pricing will be included in there. Some of the key features are it does test both 12 and 24 batteries, multiple types of batteries, lead, AGM, etc. Also does a charging test both for 12 and 24 volt batteries, loaded, unloaded, as well as ripple voltage. Also includes some cranking tests for both, again, 12 and 24 volt batteries, cranking time and voltage. And it does offer some protection features like reverse polarity. If you happen to switch the leads on a battery, you're not going to fry the unit. As well as one of the most important features, in my opinion, lifetime free updates, which is very important because most companies do not offer this. They do want to charge you a yearly upgrade fee. So obviously you're going to open the box up. You're going to get this pouch right in here, which also is a carrying case, has a nice handle right over here. When you get the unit, they're going to be separated. The serial lead with the battery cables is not going to be attached to the unit. I already attached it, and I'm going to leave it like this because I feel like if you pull it out too many times, you might start damaging the threads on the wire or the connection on the pins, and we don't want to do that. But if you wanted to separate it every time, you could. The battery tester will go in here, and the leads in this smaller pouch. Also comes with a USB cable. This is for your updates, and you would just follow the website prompts and link. Also comes with 3 rolls for the battery tester. One's already installed, and the 2 spare ones are in a smaller pouch right over here off to the side. Last but not least, it comes with the user manual if you ever needed to refer to it for whatever reason. Right over here it shows you obviously what the buttons do, the arrows, a couple of different indicators, the main menu button, exit, enter and print, etc. So at this time, let's go ahead and take this to the car and start messing around with it a little bit. All right, guys, so we're all set up over here. The leads are at the negative and the positive terminals. So we're gonna go ahead and start by selecting a battery test. So we're gonna enter, and this is an AGM battery, 650 cold cranking amps. You could obviously choose 4 different types of batteries if you wanted to. So we're gonna hit enter, AGM. We are doing cold cranking amps, enter. It is a 650. If it wasn't, you would just scroll here up and down until you got to your cold cranking amps. So we're gonna hit enter. It's testing the battery. So battery's at 12.3 volts, 541 out of 650 cold cranking amps. So it's missing about 109 cold cranking amps. It is a 4-year-old battery, so I'm not surprised there. So it's still relatively okay, but I would consider starting to replace this, especially before the winter time. So we're gonna print that. Nice and easy, comes out, you know, relatively quick printer. All right, so now we're gonna back out of this, exit, and we're going to move on to our cranking test. All right, guys, so now for this next 2 tests, you're going to want to be inside the car. We're going to start off by going to the cranking test, and then you hit enter, and it's telling you to start the engine. You have 30 seconds to do so. So we're going to go ahead and start the engine. Engine crank detected. So cranking time is normal. So you're going to go ahead and press enter /print, and it will print that for you, and you have that task report as well. So now we're going to back up one more time, and we're going to be doing a charging test. You can leave the vehicle running for this. Obviously engine is already started, so we're going to press enter. It's doing a ripple test, charging about 14.2 volts, which is acceptable. Now it tells you to increase the RPMs to 2500 RPMs, and hold it there for 5 seconds, and then we're going to press enter to continue. So I'm going to be revving the engine a little bit here. All right, press enter. And the charging system is normal. So again, if you wanted to print it, you would hit print at this time, and it prints relatively easy. So we're gonna back out of this. If you wanted to review your data, you would scroll down here, press enter, and this is all your data. Then you would use the left and right arrow over here to check all your tests. So we're gonna back out of this one more time. Here you could choose your different languages if you wanted to. We're gonna stick to English, but you have multiple different languages here you could choose from. And then last but not least, you have about over here. You have all your different versions. So this would be where you check for just like a latest update or something along those lines. All right, guys, so yeah, that's basically it. You know, I really do like this printer. I love that it's onboard printer capable, and that you get the free updates whenever and whenever there is updates, and you don't have to pay a fee for that. I like how it's rugged, and it's got this rubber finish to it, and it feels pretty confident and durable in your hand, and you don't have to worry about it you know, damaging easily or anything like that. I also really like the cables, that they're thin and you can maneuver them pretty easily, as well as the clamps over here. They are pretty tight, have all these teeth, so you should have no problems connecting this to any sort of terminal. Once again, make sure you guys do follow the link in the description for the coupon code, and like that you take advantage and get the best price out there. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for videos just like this one.